Today we have to learn English alphabet. A for apple. A P P L E apple. B for ball. B A L L ball. C for cat. C A T cat. D for dog. D O G dog. E for elephant. ELEPHANT elephant. F for fish. FISH fish. G for goat. GOAT goat. H for hen. HEN hen. I for ice cream. ICECREAM ice cream. J for jackfruit. JACKFRUIT jackfruit. K for kite. KITE kite. L for lion. LION lion. M for mango. MANGO mango. N for nest. NEST nest. O for orange. ORANGE orange. P for parrot. PARROT parrot. Q for quail. QUILL quail. R for rabbit. RABBIT rabbit. S for strawberry. STRAWBERY strawberry. T for turtle. TURTLE turtle. U for umbrella. UMBRELLA umbrella. V for violin. VIOLINE violin. W for wheel. WHEEL wheel. X for xylophone. XYLOPHONE xylophone. Y for yarn. YARN yarn. Z for zebra. ZEBRA zebra.